Now, talk about something advanced as a method of how to add a bulk SMTP. Actually, if you have to undo add a bulk SMTP, that means if you have the list, if you have a long mail list, actually you want to send 50,000, yeah, 10,000 or 5,000, whatever it is, want to send a email, you want to send mail, then you want to even you want to use multiple SMTP for this purpose. It is this simple option that add a bulk SMTP. We have you need to a Excel sheet, and there is your SMTP list must be SMTP list. First row is email ID, and second password user. There's a sample file you can download that file, and you can know how to the process to write all details. Just choose a file. Already have already I make it before for testing purpose. And if you all list in belong Gmail or Yahoo or Outlook or your particular domain, I'm just a example as a Gmail. You can use Yahoo, you can use Outlook, or you can use because this is, if you click, then your particular setup is already loaded. You can you must use a group because all SMTP added under the group, and you can set a password. If you use common password, then you can set password. If your Excel sheet have this SMTP password, then you need to put here. Do not need to put her. Even if you have already set up details in your Excel sheet, then also we keep okay. Add SMTP, you can look all SMTPs added. Then we go to rules. But just only two SMTP here. But how to add all SM, because already I have so many SMTP in same group, in same group. So how to add that's all SMTP in rules. Just go to the rules, go to the rules, and this is that is a group name. Add, and already is there, and there is some. If you want to set one, that once means this is arrange one. That means this is the first priority mail. If you want to fast priority mail one, that means always AI choose as a SMT first because it's a priority one. If you set priority two, that means the three mail ID is priority two. That means AI, when I call AI any SNTP, they take it that take that SNTP because it's priority two, and you can set priority three. In that manner, you can set any according to mail ID, and according to your requirement, you can set priority level limit. That means you want to send 20 mail, want to send from this mail ID 30 mail, you want to mail send 10 mail. That means each time AI take this email ID and shoot 20 mail at a time. Same when AI is take this email ID as a SMTP, then they shoot this 20 mails. In that process, we can set any number of mail for each mail ID as per your requirement. As per requirement, you can set any mail ID. You can also set one, lesson one, two, anything. And after that, you can pause time. Pause time, you can set pause time as a 20. That means that 20 minutes they send AI take it as a sender melody first priority one. That means they choose first three mail ID as per your settings how many SMTP AI take at a time. and post time 20, that means after 20 sending this mail, the email id pause uh, for 20 minutes. You can set 20, you can set 30, you can set any time duration according to your requirement. I mean, just demo purpose, just set same things for all mail id. Okay. And total limit, you want to set 500, that only 500 mail sent from this mail id. You can use 300 and 300, you set 500, 200. You must put a value, because zero means the mail id have no permission to send an email. So you must be at some value here. We can test smtp rules. There are rules, like, there are two rules on a, just you make these rules test. And also I have another rules. This is before I make in the, you can check another. Okay. Then another thing we can do, that is advanced method how to set a dedicated smtp for dedicated mail server. Take it. What's that? The- that means if you want to want to set that three mail id, these three mail ids, they uh, this email id is sent yahoo to yahoo, this email id is sent to bill gmail, this email to send to msn.com. You can, sorry, you can set this manner, even in by separate the by comma. You can set ymail, mail.com, msn. You can set a live.com. You can set comma separate by comma outlook.com. You can set anything. And same manner you can say you can set like that. If you want to assign each receiver server to dedicated to mail id, that means you just only take permission to that smtp, give permission to smtp to send this receiver server and submit update, and go to the rules. You can check. That's, that means you we never set for this email id any particular domain. That means this smtp sent all type of mail, all is receiver server, all uh, type of email, they have permission, but they never send email id to this belong to yahoo, email, or gmail, or msn, because because we already set a dedicated smtp for that, those receiver server. Like this smtp is dedicated to set for this receiver server. Okay. So in that manner you can easily set any your smtp for any dedicated server, and easily you can stop also. If you want to stop to mail you want to just you want to you not want to send to mail gmail, then you just stop this mail id which set for gmail. Gmail, there is two mail id for the you can check this yahoo, gmail already one of stop. You just make it stop, right? Gmail, another is that gmail. Just click on and stop. That means if you set any live campaign in that means if you set any live campaign under the rules, then there is a one live campaign. You can change the live campaign, just new created rules. That means its campaign is under that rules. And you, in that rules you already set the dedicated SMT for dedicated receiver server. And also you stop sending email to Gmail, because which email you set for Gmail, you already make it stop. So now from now or this campaign cannot send, they not send any mail to Gmail. Okay. And there is another process if you want to bulk set, because this is very if you have long or so many SMTP like 50 or 80, that is difficult to add manually, set manually to arrange method, how limit. Then there's I will just remove the all rules. Then I there is another process to add very easily, that bulk method. That you want to rules, you want to set a add rules or write any rules for this all SMTP. If you have so many that means you have 50 or 30 or 40 SMTP, that is very difficult to manually one by one write a rules. Then it's a very simple most process. You go to the rules, there is option bulk, click on bulk. You can set group name. Just you can select group name, which group you want to set rules. That arrange one, limit 20. That means each SMTP server, each SMTP server have limit 20. Push 30, that means each SMTP server push the first 30 minutes after sending 20 mail. And limit 400, need 400, 4000, anything. Just add a same rules name, PYO rules. Go to the rules. You can check the all rules submitted very easily. You can edit this manner. Okay. Or this one of the vital method, just OBO, on by one method. This method is OBO. Right in the on by that means at first AI say use this mail ID, again after the complete they mail ID, this mail ID, after this AI put this mail ID. If you want to bulk method means AI take at a time 4 or 5 or 6 or 10 SMTP. Then it on click, and this convert to bulk method. And in that method AI take at a time 4 or 5 SMTP for sending mail. And you can also set here as on setting there is option set number of SNPP for rules. That may that means that you set 2. That means AI always take 2 SNTP for sending your mail as per your priority, as per you set your priority. Like when which mail ID have 1, that means AI take that mail ID which set 1. After that complete that, after set take is 2, and after take 3 as per according to priority.